Good morning. I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to insert images in Onshape. Start with a document. Next we're going to start a sketch. I'm going to use the front plane. Type in N for normal to view so I can see it directly in front of me. Then I'm going to look for this icon here. I'm going to click the drop down, and you notice it says insert DXF or DWG files, and we can also insert an image. And you see what it says, choose an image and then create a rectangle to define the image position and size. In the dialog that appears, choose a desired image from any document you have access to. If no image files are listed, use the import link at the bottom of the dialog to import a file. 2. Click and drag to create a rectangle. The lower left corner defines the image position. The image aspect ratio is maintained. So I'm going to insert an image. I don't have any image files available yet, so I'm going to go ahead and import it. I'm going to look at the one that I want to insert, and that one there. Click open, and now I've uploaded it, and there it is. So now I have an image I can select. I'm going to select the image, and as it said, I'm going to draw the image rectangle. Okay, I left click, let it go, and I have my image. So if you want to edit the size of the sketch, what you'll need to do is throw a dimension on the image and then type in the size. Once you've done that, you can finish sketch, and now you have something that you can trace or use to create another piece.